This is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyadjian. I'm Maria Pachortiz. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. As most major economies struggle under the weight of the pandemic, China is demonstrating to the world that a full recovery from the virus slump is possible. China's GDP rose by an annual rate of 6.5% in the final quarter of 2020, helping it avoid a full-year contraction. Chinese stocks ended the day higher following the impressive figures, but shares in the rest of Asia were only modestly able to pare their losses. Tokyo's Nikkei 225 index closed down by nearly 1%, and European and U.S. stock futures were also in the red following poor retail sales numbers out of the United States on Friday. It wasn't all bad news on Friday, however, as U.S. industrial output increased more than expected in December. Nevertheless, with a long way to go before mass immunization programs start to take effect and virus curbs can be lifted, positive sentiment was in short supply at the beginning of the trading week. The UK and US are currently leading the global vaccination effort among the big nations, but given that the initial dose of optimism has already been baked into the markets, investors will probably want to see a significant drop in virus cases before going on another buying spree. One of the key tests in the coming weeks and months will be whether or not all countries, particularly Europe, will be able to get up to speed with the vaccination drive, and how soon the shutdowns will end for good. In the more immediate term, the threat of more violence and unrest at Biden's inauguration ceremony on Wednesday is likely to keep investors on edge. The cautious sentiment is likely to stretch at least into tomorrow as U.S. markets are closed today for Martin Luther King Day. There aren't many European drivers that can brighten up the mood either, as Italian political tensions are flaring up again. The euro stayed on the back foot on Monday, slipping to a near 6-week low as Italian government bond yields remained elevated. Beyond Italian politics, traders will be looking to Thursday's ECB meeting for clues as to whether more monetary stimulus is on the cards in the coming months. Meanwhile, the safe haven U.S. dollar and yen rose across the board, with the dollar index hitting a 4-week high. Even gold managed to turn positive as the risk-off tone more than offset the heavy weight of the stronger greenback. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.